I'd like to thank our guest, Mr. Roger Koch. He's the Personalization Program Manager for Clicks. They've just implemented WhatsApp to push their club card promotion, and it's apparently going very well, and they've not even started marketing it yet. And then also Bhalakumaran Rajasekaran, he is the Associate Program Manager at Freshworks. Roger, a quick question from me. You guys are kind of incorporating a digital card element to this, so it really feels like a WhatsApp, you're doing more than just having a question answer session with customers, and it suggests that there's a lot more you can do with the platform. Did you guys know what you wanted going in, or did you spend time at Freshworks to kind of explore the potential of what the platform could do for you?
I think a bit of both. We had quite a substantial wish list. We still have quite a substantial wish list. There's a huge amount of opportunities, I think, for WhatsApp. And as they open up to marketing and commerce more, we understand the benefit side of things. When we engage with Freshworks and partners with them, then we understanding the complexity of those various use cases.
We have seen a lot of business, right? They have specific set of use case in mind, and then they want to implement that first. And since we are working across industries, or let's say working across the globe with different clients, so we also see, okay, which could be a good use case or a fit for this business as well.
The integrations on our side, we built with our own developers, and then, how those integrations are used in the app, go into the app, the WhatsApp bots, I should say, those are all developed by Freshworks.
From a WhatsApp perspective, it is completely encrypted, and it works on a subscription model, and you have 3 plans that you can choose from. Except for one plan, the other 2 plans work with WhatsApp, works more on a subscription based or per agent based model, and it could be monthly, annual plans that you are looking at, and based on that the pricing differs.
And with that being said, thank you for your time today, to both our guests and to the audience, and we hope to see you next one, and please have a great afternoon. Goodbye.